This is NextGen Ambient Assist, your AI ally that lets you spend less time doing this and this, and more time naturally doing this. In English,
How are you feeling today?
My sinuses are really congested.
o español,
¿Cómo te sientes hoy?
Mis senos nasales están muy congestionados.
temporary transcripts magically generate structured soap notes in seconds, saving you a lot of this, and definitely some of this. Conversations turn seamlessly into smart suggestions, so you can quickly select diagnosis codes without spending post-visit time here doing this or this. Get back about 2 hours a day to enjoy more of this, and this, and this, and maybe rediscover this.